Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today we've got something special lined up for all the outdoor cooking enthusiasts out there. We're taking a look at what might just be the best grilled top pizza oven kit on the market, the Cuisinart CPO-700 Grilled Top Pizza Oven Kit. Straight out of the box, the CPO-700 impresses with its sleek stainless steel design. It feels solid, well-built, and has that premium look you want in your outdoor cooking gear. The unit comes with a 12-inch aluminum pizza peel that has a foldable wooden handle, super handy for storage and actually really lightweight to use. It also includes a Cuisinart pizza stone, known for its excellent heat retention and even cooking performance. Now, the beauty of the CPO-700 is how effortlessly it transforms your regular grill into a pizza-making powerhouse. Whether you're using a gas, charcoal, or even a pellet grill, this oven kit fits right on top. No need for any extra modifications, just lift the lid, place the oven on your grill grate, close the grill cover, and you're good to go. It also comes with an integrated thermometer right on the front, which reads up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a game changer because high heat is key when you're aiming for that crispy, wood-fired pizza crust. And the reflective stainless steel interior helps direct top heat back onto your toppings, ensuring they're cooked perfectly in sync with the crust. Let's fire it up. Once your grill is lit and the oven is in place, you'll want to let it preheat for about 10 to 15 minutes. That Cuisinart stone needs to soak up a good amount of heat to give you that crispy base. And once it's up to temp, which is easy to track thanks to the built-in thermometer, it's time to get cooking. Using the included peel, slide your pizza onto the stone. The oven's design keeps the heat circulating and evenly distributed, so your pizza cooks in just about 5 to 7 minutes. You can actually watch the cheese melt and the crust bubble through the open front. It's seriously satisfying. What you get is that crispy, golden crust with melty cheese and perfectly cooked toppings. Just like your favorite pizzeria, but made right in your backyard. And since you're cooking with your existing grill, there's no extra fuel or electricity needed. Cleanup is also simple. Once cooled, the Cuisinart stone can be wiped down, and the stainless steel body is easy to clean with just a damp cloth. The peel folds up neatly and stores easily in your kitchen or grilling drawer. So if you're serious about pizza or just want to upgrade your backyard cooking game, the Cuisinart CPO-700 Grilled Top Pizza Oven Kit delivers performance, style, and versatility in one neat package. At a price that's more affordable than most dedicated pizza ovens, it's a solid investment for outdoor cooks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want us to test this against other pizza oven kits in a future video. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time with another hands-on review.